So as soon as you open this follow-up tab, you are presented with two key information, which are these due follow-ups and this next follow-up column, which have a light conditional formatting for the follow-ups that are due or in the past. And then we move on to the name and company column. It has its own data validation list, and date submitted over here would be captured from this previous opportunities tab. If you have entered a date over here, it will be captured over here, but if you haven't, it will remain empty. The contact is its own dependent validation list. And then is this job scope, which has its own data validation list. And last follow up on is you can enter your value over here manually, and the date will update. This next follow-up date will update accordingly from the value that is in the follow-up column. Like suppose you enter 25 12 24, you can see the value has been updated. You can change this over here and the values will change accordingly for the date values for the next follow-up. And then when I click update, the rows will move into their relevant tabs as explained in this description. Rows moved successfully and they have been moved to their relevant tabs over here, which I will explain in the next video.